I'm sure the FMCSA is going to love this one. This is a letter of intent to sue. I've already sent it to them. It says this letter of intent to sue shall serve as a formal notice that Dennis Reidner intends to commence a lawsuit against you due to the following: violation of constitutional rights, including but not limited to free religion, free exercise clause, RFRA, which is the Religious Freedom Restoration Act, federal law protection for religious liberties, deprivation of rights under color of law, oppressive authority, negligence, misconduct, fraud, and APA, which is Administrative Procedure Act, Public Law 49404, Section 12. Details. I had taken a drug test for a motor carrier to enjoy the privilege of working in commerce. The drug test showed positive for marijuana, and the FMCSA had placed a violation on my record. I had contacted the FMCSA through email and had filed a petition proving marijuana was in the practice of my religion, and to show the administrative error to prove the rule and regulation cannot be enforced due to freedom of religion, supported by the Free Exercise Clause, which allows violation of laws when that violation is made for religious practices, which I have proven. The FMCSA dismissed my petition, stating I cannot operate a CMV until I attend substance abuse classes according to the regulations, which is an invalid regulation that hinders the fundamental constitutional right, freedom of travel, supported by the Privilege and Immunity Clause and multiple case law. I had sent out a second petition proving more information that cannabis is used in religious rituals, and proving cannabis is also in biblical scripture through translation of words. The FMCSA dismissed the second petition, and by a second email stating recreational use is not allowed while operating a CMV, which is a confirmation that violates right to travel by deprivation of rights under color of law and oppressive authority. I have replied back to the email the FMCSA sent, stating that religion is not a recreational activity but a constitutional protective right that Congress shall make no law against, nor can law be oppressed against it. Law supports rules and regulations. I sent a third petition showing multiple violations and crimes FMCSA has committed against the plaintiff, along with an 11-page document proving marijuana rights and sovereign citizenship under freedom of religion, the First Amendment. Also showing and proving the rules and regulations being enforced are invalid and unenforceable, which is fraudulent. The FMCSA refuses to accept or review the third petition. This is unacceptable misconduct and negligence. If demands are not met, punishment against FMCSA and individual public servant personnel will be facing legal repercussions to the fullest, including and not limited to compensation and prison by the power of the people. Each personnel sued for $450,000 each. FMCSA will be entitled to compensate $4 million, plus, as stated in the petition, $1,500 daily until settled. The plaintiff, Dennis Reidner; the defendant, FMCSA. Settlement demands. As a result of your actions, the plaintiff is willing to resolve the matter for a payment of $1.5 million. This offer to cure and or settle this matter outside of court and avoid a lawsuit is valid for 30 days from the effective date. Governing law. This letter of intent shall be governed under the laws of the state of Kentucky. And my signature.